So to set up name recognition on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro, go to settings and then accessibility. And then under that, you want to scroll down to the hearing section and then tap on sound and name recognition. And then select name recognition. And then let's set up name recognition. So just tap on that. And then you're basically teaching your phone or your iPhone to recognize your name so that maybe when you're wearing your earbuds and someone is calling you, you obviously can't hear your name being called because probably you're in noise cancelling mode, but your phone can hear you being called and then it will alert you that someone is trying to call you. Okay, so this is very interesting. So you want to type the name you want the iPhone to recognize. You can also record how or someone else says that name. And also when you finished, your iPhone will notify you when someone says your name. So let's tap on next. And my name is Chris. So very simple name. Oh, sorry, my name is Steve. Okay, so I'm gonna tap on next. And then you can hear what that sounds like according to Apple. But also you can record your own pronunciation. So I'm gonna Steve, and it's ready. So I can tap on done. And then name recognition would like to send you notifications. You want to allow that so that you can be able to get a notification when your name has been called. Now, you can also add other names. So if you have nicknames, you can go ahead and add them to that list. But for now, I'm going to use just Steve. So let's say you're somewhere and someone calls your name, Steve. So you can see my phone recognized that someone is calling my name, and now it gives me a notification. And if you're wearing your headphones, you will hear a notification and then you can know someone is calling you. So it's a very interesting feature. Thanks for watching and good luck.